Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to see what is deadlock. Okay. Actually, our topic is what is deadlock and how to resolve this issue, and what are the options are available, like what are monitoring tools are available, and the default options are available in mysql. Okay, we are going to see these topics. Okay. Actually, what is a deadlock? Deadlock is something when two or more transactions waiting for each other release resource. Like if you are going to execute a query, example table 1, okay, the query is completed, okay, but again you are trying to update the same another query in the same table. Okay, the log is waiting, the query is waiting long time. Right? So once the query is executing more waiting, still is running means, okay, the second query will be waiting long time. After it will be considered as a deadlock. Okay? So we have to fix that issue. Why is deadlock came, and how to resolve this issue? Everything we need to identify. Okay, see, here I have two tables, table 1 and table 2. Okay, so I'm going to create database and going to create this table also, and I'm going to set some records. Then I'm going to generate some manual deadlock issues. Okay, then I will move to this deadlock into separate table. Then I will show you how to identify the deadlock. Then we will fix it. How to we can fix it and everything will be see. Okay, let's see. In Percona, they have a separate deadlock monitoring tool. Okay. It's called pt-deadlock-logger. If you want to install, please install the Percona toolkit. Okay, I will give a installation link in the description. Okay, just follow me below. Okay, okay guys, 1 minute. Okay, database log table log db. Okay, I'm going to log db. Okay. I'm going to create a table 1. Okay, create a table 1. Then I'm going to insert some records in table 1. Okay, I'm going to create table 2. Okay, in the same schema. Okay, then I'm going to insert some records in table 2 also. Okay, fine. Now we install insert records in two tables, table 1 and table 2. Let me check table 1 and table 2. Okay, we inserted successfully. Then we will create deadlock in manually, because we need to check how it's display deadlock in our mysql. Everything you want to see. So I'm going to get deadlock manually. First, I'm going to start a process. Okay, begin. Then I will execute this query. I'm going to fix the date from table 1 and table 2 also. Okay, table 2 and table 1. Okay, I execute this query in one tab. Then I'm going to execute another query in second tab. Use logdb. Okay. Second table, choosing second table for update. Because we start a process, but we didn't complete that, so it will be you are execute any query, it will be considered as a deadlock. Okay, now I'm going to execute one update query. Okay, do one then again I'm going to update in table 2 also. Okay, so the process will not complete, it's executing all time. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I'm executing again one query. Now it's taking more time, so I'm executing second query in second table. Okay. Okay, now we got a one deadlock. Okay, so I'm going to actually this is why this query is executing means there is no records a combination for this name column, so it's executed immediately. Okay, now I'm checking with the exact detailed data, so it's taking more time and it's created a deadlock. Okay, you can check show engine InnoDB status. Here also you can check there is a deadlock is listed here. Okay, here you can see that what is the deadlock is for, and everything is listed here. Okay, so this is manually mysql giving this option, and if you want to move this deadlock issues into error log file, you need to enable some variables. So we have some option. Example, InnoDB print all database deadlock. Okay, so first you need to check show variables like that. Okay, you need to turn on the both. Okay, InnoDB deadlock detect and InnoDB print all deadlocks. You need to turn on both variables. Okay, so I'm going to set global deadlock equal to 1. Okay, next log error. Okay, log error, you need to verify a log error where MySQL going to write. So okay, currently I'm not setting separate error log file, so its default error log is going to return in MySQL log. Okay, so okay, next we need to set verbosity. Actually verbosity 2 means it will be displayed only the details only, so we need to collect all proper details like which time is executing and which query is executing that time, and everything is we need. So we need to set log error verbosity 2 into 3. Okay, maybe your system has default values 2, so you need to change that value. Okay, currently I have the 2 values default, so I want to change this value. So global set 3. Okay, now let me check. Okay, now I change the value. Okay, so I'm going to start the session. Okay, back, roll back the both options. Okay. Now I'm going to execute the same query. Okay, I'm going to create the same deadlock queries again, because we want to verify that query in MySQL log also. Okay, so let's do it now. I'm going to execute the same query. Second one, second table. I'm going to execute this in second session. Okay, next I'm going to generate this flow query, deadlock query. It's executing, and second step also. Okay, now also we receive one deadlock, so now it's move to mysql error log also. So we can check in our mysql server log file var log. Currently our log file is uh, located in var log path. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm going to check this. Okay, our recent data are moved to here. Okay, we can check this queries also. Which query we running here? 101, right? So the details are displayed here. Okay, now we can easily identify why this query is taking more time and which table is make trouble, and everything is we can identify easily. First step, we need to check this query. For example, if you are in production, maybe the table is size is big too, and there is no proper index also. So you need to verify the query has a proper index that will be added or not. If it's not proper index added, we need to add proper index. Okay, this is first step. Then maybe some duplicate index are also added in the table, so it's also taking the more time. Okay, so we need to check there is any duplicate index already added or not. If it's any duplicate index, we need to remove that. Okay, we have a separate tools in Percona, pt duplicate key checker. Okay, use that tool. You can easily identify which table has duplicate index already added. Then we need to check our application side also. Application side, maybe sometime we are running same time two or more queries in more query requests in the same table, same column also. So if there is any possibilities in application side, we need to check with our developer and we need to remove that. Okay, try to avoid that. That's much better. Then we have another one option, how to find the deadlock in every time in separate table. There is a Percona have the separate tool. The tool name is pt-deadlock-logger. Okay, the tool is help to always monitor our database. Okay, it will be stored our deadlock in separate table also. Okay, so we don't need to check in every time. We just log in our server, then go to the database and select the table. You can easily identify the slow log details. Okay, so no need to check this in log file, separate log file, because sometimes the log file size is too huge, so we cannot identify the deadlock in exactly. So better if you move to the deadlock into separate table, you can easily identify. Okay, that's one of the advantage. Okay, then maybe sometime you have the questions why the deadlock is coming. Okay, and how to resolve this. Deadlock is one of the transaction actually. Okay, in the deadlock situations, one of the transaction must be rollback to release the resource. Okay, it means for example, deadlock A is running. Okay, I mean query A is running already. Okay, then accidentally you execute the query B also. Okay, so this time you need to roll back that second query. Okay, so we can avoid deadlock manually also. This is also possible. Then we can increase some configuration also. For example, we can enable it read commit or repeatable read or serializable. There is so many options available in MySQL. If you want to add these configurations, you need to add in my.cnf configuration file. Okay, read committed. Okay, it's called read committed. I will show you how to increase the read committed, how to add the read committed option in my.cnf. I will show you. Then already I explained we need to optimize our queries in that index also. This is also one of the possibility we can avoid this. Then sometimes you can exploit the locking, avoid the deadlocks. For example, you can use far update class in the log specific rows. Sometimes the issues can mean, so we can use the far update class in our specific rows. So it's also help to avoid the deadlock. Okay, this is also one of the main things. Then Okay, we have a separate table actually. How to identify the deadlock in performance schema. You can go to the performance schema also. Show databases. Use performance schema. Show tables like okay. Maybe this table is removed the latest version maybe. Data logs. Okay, there is our table data logs. It's called. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, this table is also not deadlock details. Okay, okay, I will explain later. Okay, there is an option. Okay, then we need to increase our wait timeout, and this is also another possible. We can avoid the deadlock. This is also possible. Okay, next we will check with our Percona toolkit. Okay, already I told I have a tool pt-deadlock-logger. I will roll back. Commit and roll back. Commit. Okay. And refresh the session. Refresh the session. Okay. And log db. Okay, fine. Next. Okay. Already I installed the Percona toolkit. Okay. I will show you pt-deadlock-logger. Okay. It's already noted two records. Okay, I will check with the new deadlocks. Okay. So first I'm going to create a deadlock table in our database. Okay, whatever you can create this table in any database. Okay, so I'm going to create this new table for deadlock data insert purpose. Show tables. Okay, I'm going to create this table here. Okay, created successfully. Show tables. Currently I'm using logdb. Okay, the table is created here. So I'm planning to move this deadlock into my database. Okay, already I added my.cnf configuration, client username, password and everything. So this command I'm not using any username password in mysql login. So if you want to use it, please add manually, otherwise you can configure it in my.cnf configurations. Okay, you can see that also. Okay, if you want to execute your password in runtime, please use this ask password. Then we have some other option also, username, password. Okay, password option also available, and user version also available. Okay, whatever you want you can add. Okay, okay, next I'm going to check this. Already I create this table and everything. Again I'm going to create deadlock again. This time I'm going to Raj. Okay, already this time I'm going to use Mono. Okay, Mono and Raj for update. Okay, next I'm going to run this command also in separate. Actually this is demand. Okay, it will be run, or this tool will be run in background. Okay, so I'm going to execute this command also here. it guys. Unknown database. Okay, actually there is no database regarding this. Okay, so first we will check that. Okay, it's not running. Okay, I'm going to connect our new database logdb. I didn't change that, so now I did change, otherwise everything is same. Okay, reset. Okay, now it's running background. You want to check ps-uf grip. Okay, grip it. Actually our tool name is that. Okay, now it's running background. Okay, you can see here. Okay, next I'm going to execute this command. First I create this. Wait, I will check. Already I start this, so I'm going to start second table here also. Okay, I started both. Next I'm going to update query. Okay, started already running. Started too. Okay, now again we create a deadlock. Okay, now we can check our tables. So table, select start from deadlocks. Okay, already we have two deadlocks, right? Before that it was showing two deadlocks. It's already moved to our table. Now again we create a new table, new deadlock. It's also displayed here. You can check. The time is select now, right? Now also it's moved, and it was moving before. Actually it was moving when we create a when we create a demand, that time it was moved. Then again we create a new deadlock, it's also moved in our database. Okay. Now we can clearly understand how it's working, right? So we can see our query also, which query is creating deadlock, and why it's happened, and everything, which database is connecting, and everything we can see. Which table also, everything is we can see. So we can easily identify the deadlock, and we can easily fix that. Okay, so this is also one of the good option. Okay, hope you guys are understand how it's working, and which tools are available now, why deadlock is came, and everything. Okay guys, I will post up next videos regarding some other Percona tools, like Percona online schema, and some other tools also. Okay guys, thank you everyone.